Honeycombing. Honeycombing in concrete refers to the voids, cavities, or exposed coarse aggregates visible on the surface or inside the hardened concrete. It happens when the mortar, cement paste, and sand fails to properly fill the spaces between coarse aggregates. Causes of honeycombing: 1. Poor compaction, vibration, inadequate or no vibration during placement, leaves voids. Overly stiff concrete mix that is hard to compact. 2. Improper mix design, low fines content, cement plus sand, relative to coarse aggregates. Harsh mix with insufficient workability. 3. Poor workmanship. Concrete poured in layers too thick without proper compaction. Dropping concrete from excessive height segregation. 4. Formwork issues. Leaky or poorly aligned formwork. Congested reinforcement that blocks the free flow of concrete. Effects of honeycombing: structural weakness, reduced strength and load-bearing capacity. Durability concerns: increased permeability, water, chemicals, and air ingress. Corrosion risk: exposed reinforcement may corrode. Aesthetic defects: poor surface finish and appearance. Costly repairs: may require patching or even demolition if severe. Prevention of honeycombing: 1. Proper mix design. Ensure workable mix with sufficient fines. Use admixtures, plasticizers, super plasticizers for better flow without excess water. 2. Good placement practices. Place concrete in layers 300-500 mm thick. Avoid dropping from more than 1.5 meters height. Use chutes or tremie pipes. 3. Adequate compaction. Use mechanical vibrators, needle or immersion type, correctly. Ensure vibration reaches congested reinforcement zones. 4. Formwork and reinforcement tight and properly sealed formwork. Ensure reinforcement spacing allows free flow of concrete. 5. Skilled supervision, monitor concreting operations closely. Stop segregation by proper handling and transport. Repair methods if honeycombing occurs. For minor surface honeycombing, cement mortar, non-shrink grout. Patch with. For deep, severe honeycombing, remove loose concrete and repair with suitable repair mortar or microconcrete.